Suppose you flipped a coin 20 times. Even if the coin were fair, you'd probably not always get exactly 10 heads and 10 tails. But what if you got 15 heads and 5 tails? Or maybe even 20 heads and no tails? You might start to think that it's probably not a fair coin after all. Maybe it's weighted on one side a little too much. Or maybe we just got it by pure chance. So one thing we need to do for stuff like this is do some hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is used to determine whether the difference in two groups is likely caused by chance, or if there's a significant difference between the two. Now, when we're doing hypothesis testing, we need to begin with something called the null hypothesis. Now, by definition, null just means really zero. Now, that's not to say there's zero hypothesis, it's just saying that the hypothesis is zero. That means the null hypothesis states that there's no difference, there is zero difference between your groups being tested. The purpose of this hypothesis is to use experimental data to test the viability of the null hypothesis.